Trouble. Oh, he said he's trying to mount. That is just suicide.
Ingram has to go. And this is what pressure build-up does. No chance of a single there. Look how far out Ingram is. Miles out. Great footwork.
Oh, he's hammered that back. Oh, it's out! It is right out. The deep bars, the massive sixes. Here it goes. Bells it back. Pollard off his heel. Onto the stumps. Well, that Chris Lynn smashing it into his left boot. He angles it. There's one bar still on.
Remarkable. Well, Tony Gregg said hitting the wickets is going to provide something during this game. This is just unbelievable. How does he do that?
Oh, confusion! Said you've got to get back. Now they're going to try and pinch it down. Pulls around. He had to try and get back, and then Sangakkara misses the stumps and moves on. They run again. Look, put the bat in, please. He's gone. Incredible.
Free those arms. It's better straight, but beautifully timed again. Chance. He's taken the stumps out as well.
Himself at the stumps, and I think he's beaten Umler.
He has. He has indeed. The ball in hand.
Oh gosh, this is gone. That is exceptional wicket keeping. Okay, the gloves, or was it with the body? Oh yes, that's the bails are gone. He's got to remove the wicket from the ground, and he's done it. Yes, that's out. Once the bails are off, you've got to remove the wicket from on while
back. That is a brilliant dig.
Andrew Simons with a ball. It's flush on the nose, isn't it?
Narayan really doing a pretty good job. This was good work. Narayan Bravo sprinting in, kicking the ball onto the stumps.
It's Yuvraj Singh with a flat, almost underarm throw. Don't he bounce it onto the stumps? Or did he knock the stumps off with his hand? Let's have a close look at this. This is a big moment. Did the ball ever hit the stumps? That angle we don't know. Certainly his hand hits the stumps. We need another angle to work out whether the ball makes contact with the stumps. Yes, I think it did. I think it did, didn't it? It changed direction off the stump.